Have you ever felt like you understood a concept perfectly while studying, only to realize you could not explain it to someone else later? It is a common frustration, and often, the brilliant Feynman technique is the very tool we try to use to overcome it. The biggest errors in applying the Feynman technique often stem from a superficial approach, missing its true depth. These common missteps include not simplifying the language enough, failing to adequately identify and fill knowledge gaps, and mistakenly believing you understand something without truly being able to teach it clearly. These errors occur because the technique is not just about reading and summarizing. It is about actively engaging with the material. The core of the Feynman technique involves breaking down complex information into simple terms, as if explaining it to a child. If your explanation still uses jargon or relies on complex phrases, you have not truly grasped the underlying concepts. Many people stop at a basic summary, which only creates a false sense of mastery, hindering true understanding and retention. To avoid these pitfalls, start by writing down the concept you are learning on a blank sheet of paper, then explain it aloud in the simplest language possible. If you find yourself using complex terminology, stop and actively simplify. Identify exactly where your explanation falters or where you resort to buzzwords. These are your knowledge gaps, and it is crucial to revisit your source material to clarify those specific points. Only after you can explain it, without any jargon, have you truly begun to understand. A key insight is that the Feynman technique is not a one-time activity. It is an iterative process. You might go back and forth between explaining and relearning several times. This active identification of confusion and the deliberate act of simplifying the explanation are what make the technique so powerful. True mastery is achieved when you can articulate a complex topic so clearly that even a 5-year-old could follow along, which was Richard Feynman's own benchmark. By diligently simplifying your explanations, actively pinpointing what you do not fully grasp, and committing to filling those gaps, you will transform surface-level knowledge into deep, lasting understanding. This not only boosts your confidence in the material but also makes learning more efficient and genuinely enjoyable, setting you up for greater academic success.